Hey everybody, it's Scrap and Maureen. Today I wanted to come on and show you what I have been so busy doing lately. It would be getting ready for my first craft fair. And I have been doing nothing but, as you can see on my desk, mass making things. Right now I'm working on cards over here. Gift card holders here, different tags, and then of course you can see all my scraps. Oh, and recipe books back there. Yeah, just a little bit of everything going on right here, and I just wanted you guys to get a glimpse of what I've been up to. So thank you so much for tuning in, and keep checking back on my channel regularly and see what I'm up to. I appreciate everyone that's a subscriber. Thanks so much. Happy crafting, everybody. Bye.